guys, today we will be playing I Am Cat, and we are purring right now. Subscribe to my video, please and thank you, and check out my videos at 1999. Okay, that's my video. Okay, now let's get in the video now. Video starts right now. How about right now?
I'm not a guys, shut up. I should play. I should I'm playing. Hey, I've got a question for you.
I died in.
I've got a question for you.
Why is the fish so hard to catch?
Just stop. I'm trying to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I can't do anything. Halloween, little bro. Lumberjack.
Why do I always
This is stupid.
Oh my god, you're such a wanna go play basketball? Hey, Kaden, look behind you! Guys, go to the kitchen, go to the kitchen, go to the kitchen!
Bro, I need some mafia members.
Okay,
Yo, wants to be part of the mafia. Yo, come to me if you want to be part of the mafia.
I guess we might need a book. I'm drinking a book.
Come to the balloon.
Hey!
Come to the air balloon if you want to be part of the mafia.
Help me! No, my book!
I'm sorry, I just must ask something really quick.
Everybody wants to be part of the mafia. All right. Today we're gonna take down that team. We're gonna put the cement shoes on them, then toss them in the lake. Let's go.
Yes, right. Animal abuse.
Yo, if you say one thing about the mafia,
I don't know.
Bridge.
I'm gonna put a bag over here.
This might seem weak, but we are strong.
Come back here!
Yes.
Who did you just? Who crowd idiot?
I'm taking over. I'm taking over, guy. I'm taking over.
Get out. Go over here. Can it be killed? Turn it kill. I'm taking over the hotel with Dragon 2. No, everything. Break.
Yo, who's in my territory? Yo, get out of my territory.
Don't turn it kill. Stop it.
Hey, guys. Guys, let's have a war. We're having a war.
Whoever can have the
No.
Hey you. Yo, do you know what? Hey you, do you know what? So that's how it down here. Chill. We have to get that area too, and that area over there, which is my home.
Over Galaxy Eyes, come here to war.
Are you really? Oh, damn. Man, you got a yacht. Man, he's got a yacht.
What are you talking about? Bro, I'm gonna smack your guy. Unless they do not. I'm making it now.
Everything's
I'm gonna put some men on you and toss you in my leg. I'm gonna let you stop
Die, Kristen. Die, boy.
All members of the Empire, go to the Viking ship.
What did you just say?
Help me!
I'll be back. Hold on.
Thank you.
No!
Thank you, Mr. Stoop. I'm sorry. Bye. Yeah, I can hear you.
Alright.
We're friends.
You start burping.
We have to go kill the granny from
Howard, I completed it. We can make it green. I just need one more tower and I'll win.
I'll go! One,
Let me get up here.
The Mafia's won.
Help me!
Oh,
The Mafia won. The Mafia did not win yet. Not good, bro. Yo, what are you gonna do against us? We're gonna put some men's shoes on you and put them back over your head and toss not a good place to be. I'm saying good boy. I shall stand my good boy.
hey, do you want a sword?
Good boy.
Give me
What the? Yo, I'll
There's a
take you
sword.
alive.
Keep
Hell
it.
yeah. You're good.
I got a bash.
No, you are. Who dares challenge my rule of the Empire?
Give me!
There's you.
It's my bash.
I stay near your side, Liam.
My bash.
Thank you, Supreme Commander.
Give me it!
You dare challenge my rule of the
Give
Empire?
me it!
Yeah, challenge accepted. After I fall, goodbye.
Give me it! Okay.
Why'd you fall?
Give me it!
I can give you my bash.
Give me!
Cause I'm the
Give me!
Hey, do you want
Give
this bash?
me!
You ready?
Hey! What's this too much noise? I'm sorry, but goodbye.
But guess what? They call me.
So get out.
I'm the Supreme Ruler of the Empire. If I die, no, you're not.
Mario! That's
How you are?
Can I?
Oh, put you off the cliff. Push you off the Oh, give me this groove. Hey, why is there a knife in here? Yo, I got a knife. Get out of my hole. My hands are
knife is mine. The knife is mine.
I'll give you a knife. Get out of my hole.
I'll give you a bigger knife.
No, wait. I'm gonna do that's that. I'm gonna do something wild.
Okay. I'll give you
I'm gonna cut you. My hands. Please, leave me alone.
Yes,
I'm here.
I'm gonna retreat and leave.
Somebody stole our base. Somebody stole our base.
Weird.
I can kill you. Hello? I'm living in a base. I can used to have some bad news. Help! Someone's so big on me! We gotta find somewhere. I don't know. Maybe they're over there. Someone's so big on me!
Stay away from my bash.
Thank you. Give me. Hey, let's finish off this crap. You have the game called I have a bash. Maybe you can be the leader. Let's be the new one. Here.
I gotta go.
Uh-oh.
I gotta go.
Yeah. Oh, no. God, we still know how to play. We are not horses. We are
Watch it, little bro. Come on, you. It's 20 kids to work on the middle of a PlayStation. I don't want Nintendo. I don't want the no, you get a PlayStation 5. He's being thirsty. He's being thirsty. Get over my soul empire. Baba Bingo!
We are not horses.
I want to
We are cats, yo. Bring them
No, I'm gonna roll horse in my household.
You're the horns.
Right in your eyes.
Go to single player.
Frying Pan Army. I'm a Frying Pan Army. Frying Pan Army.
Use my bash.
No.
Push it. golden mouse.
The guy who killed this boy is
No.
It's a floating shot. Look at him, he's floating.
It's away.
It's again.
No! I heard there's better knives somewhere.
Coming. Fell off.
I heard there. We need, sir. I'm sorry, but I don't. I think it's. I think it's. I think it's here. I need cat died.
No,
Keep it here in his
I
honor,
want to hear myself.
or you could keep it with
Why is
yourself
that door
every
blocked?
day.
It won't let go.
I have to kill someone. I have to kill the person who who destroyed our cult or whatever.
Yes,
Our empire.
I will stay right behind you.
Oh shoot!
Not like
They-
Velveteen.
I will be your.
Hello.
I'm your butler. Whoa!
We need to kill everyone that's
Hey, dude, not here.
Let's kill everybody who doesn't have astral eyes.
yeah, baby.
That was a sword.
Look, somebody's trying to attack you.
Not game. Game. It's donkey.
What is it? Yeah, what are you doing? What are you trying to do?
No, come back.
You what?
Not anything. It's you again. You again. I know it's you again. It's you again.
See, no sword.
I know that.
Somebody
I will show you. I'll show you. Follow me. And I was serious. You again. Not you. That's not you.
Go. I'll deal with them. Go.
No.
That's
You were my master.
Get killed.
why can I not move? Ah!
Dr. Rock, you trapped. Dr. Rock.
Wait.
There is a manhunt for me.
My hand!
Go. You gotta find somewhere.
My hand!
I know you can.
What's wrong? Look at my hand! It's
I got you.
Look at my hand!
Don't worry, nobody's gonna get you. Here, we can find a better place.
My hand!
No, red.
What?
Keep it red. I have holding claws. 6, 7, 6, 7.
Anybody would die.
6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 7, 6,
Oh,
7.
my dad.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Capybara, capybara, capybara.
Hello? I would like to make an announcement.
6, 7, 6,
Everybody
7.
would ask
You
Joe
ugly.
7.
or anybody
Chaladero,
who
chalada, ocadero,
or
ocadero.
come to the
My
game.
eyes! My eyes!
Already started the war.
Your eyes on the bottom?
Why my hands look like that? Make everybody come and fight me then. Sir,
Somebody's being here.
I couldn't find you. So
My hand! I need a doctor! I need a doctor! I need a doctor! My hand!
We should team up on the
Hand? Yeah, my hand!
It's personal.
It was...
Yo, who wants to do some Cat's Got Talent?
Right here.
Who wants to do some Cat's Got Talent? Who
Knock,
wants to do some Cat's Got Talent?
knock, knock, knock.
I don't know what I'm going. It's video
Where's my, wait, who has
My hand! My hand! My handy! My handy! My handy! Ow! My handy!
ballerina cappuccino.
I want handy!
Hey, you,
I know. Care, I'm not doing Well, oh, no. You should be playing.
Там я с тобой хочу дружить.
Chimpanzini bananini.
Who has the basketball, bro? Who has the basketball?
I'm really hot! Give me up!
Wait.
Bombardino crocodilo!
Chimpanzini bananini.
Johnny! Cappuccino ballerina is the son of Sugar. Bananini, bananini, bombardino goosini, chippy choppy ball. Chippy choppy choppy trippa. Chippy choppy choppy trippa. Hey you. I got a one hand. I got a one hand. Big sticks, I don't like to get a one hand. I go to the player's hand.
Oh my god, is there gold fish in my hand?
What? What happened? I'm in the elevator.
No, this is mine!
You told me. I'm doing your move.
I
It's in your mug.
was doing. What is this stuff? Oh, the button thing you do.
Guys, I'm gonna be your teacher. Go to the classroom right now, please.
Meow, meow, amigatito,
Give me that.
meow, meow.
I'm sorry.
Aretito, amitato.
I'll get back to you.
Oh my god.
Maybe
Yo, 6, 7. So my math teacher says no more. After she asked, what's 6? What's 3 plus 4? I said 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Cause class me, do it!
That's a pin. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la.
The way burr, the way burr, spot up him.
Burr,
Oh, the way shut down. Down, the way. Yeah, burr, boy.
Chimpanzini, bananini,
I'm a nurse too. I'm a nurse too. Okay, who wants to learn 6, 7?
6, 7.
Okay, what's 6? What's 6 times 7?
6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7.
Okay, sit in your seat, or else.
6, 7. Wee! I believe I can fly. Oh.
I'll make an announcement on the microphone.
What is your game?
No!
Dogs are not allowed.
Trying to get murdered.
Come with me, sir.
Oh crap! I'm full.
Yeah!
Don't die. I got you.
Stop killing me.
Let's go, sir.
Yes.
Sir, come on.
It is recess time! Go to the snow! Recess!
What's all that noise up there?
It's the recess! Recess is right now! Just go on now!
Y'all are annoying.
Screw that.
Hello, neighbor.
Go up here. Go up here. Oh my god. I just lost
Hello, neighbor.
Go up there. Go up there. Keep it at green.
Get away!
Matter of fact.
Yeah, just go up there. He can't hold his items up with him.
I'll tell you how to get up here. How you get up here is go over there. And
Everyone, now you're
then
retiring!
you jump over here. Then you
The
go
who's gonna be the
over here with this
principal?
ladder thingy. And then you climb up here. And you
Well,
see
we're gonna do that.
in the room. And you see
Wild bang!
hello, neighbor.
Hey, can I play, guys? Can I play?
Fine, I'm going out.
Yeah, he's a boss. I'm over here.
Hey, do you want to come in my bunk? Do you want to come in my room? Come here.
Who's secretly X-Man?
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right
Right
here.
here.
I'm right here.
It's down here.
Can I grab one of these?
I don't know what's my... I don't know.
No, but you grab this.
It's come. Get up.
Where'd they go?
Get up here. Get up.
Oh.
Get down here.
Go. They locked us.
What did they do?
Oh, follow me. You want to see my room now?
They lost us.
When did we go to sleep? Luna. What?
Where'd they go?
Okay,
wait.
Can
Can you hear me?
There's enough space
You.
for
Can you hear me?
We can literally practice our run.
Go down there. Yes, go down there.
Want to go outside? We can do this. Strawberry elephant. It's strawberry elephant. Guys, get up here.
Are we gonna have
Look at strawberry elephant.
Okay, what?
Buddy, what do you want from me?
Strawberry
Why is this
elephant.
stuck?
Leave him alone.
Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Strawberry elephant.
So who's saying strawberry elephant?
I'm on the cardboard. I'm on the cardboard under the ship.
Where are you, bro? Bro, come
I'm in the mom's car.
Wait for me, guys. Let me get up. I'll
That's
come back.
but tell you what.
Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry
Bye-bye.
elephant.
Strawberry elephant now.
Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant.
We're trying to get on me.
Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry
Yeah, you
elephant.
can say strawberry elephant.
Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. It's me saying strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Italian brain rot. I know. Italian brain rot. Strawberry elephant.
Yeah, I know Italian brain rot too.
Strawberry elephant. How can you miss this? It's easy to get down here.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Very well played.
Strawberry elephant.
Just to find out your
Hey, don't use it.
Yes, become
Hey, you can't catch me.
I pushed you down.
You want to play family comes to the stage. If you
Let's
okay,
go,
hold on.
guys.
If you guys want to play family,
come to the
Are
stage.
you a cat?
We have a few left.
This is fine.
I go meow.
It's only $199.
What was that?
Money on
If you want to play family, come to the stage.
Strawberry
Come to the
elephant.
stage.
I do.
Okay, is everybody here?
Hey, do you want to go in my secret
If
base?
anybody wants to play family,
I already know who's your
Stage.
best.
Archie.
I'm already here.
Alright.
already know.
Okay.
Let's go.
How do we
Go. You're not it.
I'm going to my secret base.
You
I feel like going in my home.
Okay.
Bye-bye, guys. I'm going home.
Okay, we're moving in.
Hey, my home's down here. Hey, come here.
It's here.
You want to come in my home? You want to see my home? This is it.
This is your dad. Use the pan.
Why are some people in here?
It's actually my secret
Go
base.
over
They
it.
have so much family
Secret
members.
because nobody can get it.
Different things.
Put your hand up.
You like it.
And I don't like cats. When I am a guy who knows what
Wait,
I'm
pass me a
doing.
book, someone. Someone pass me a book. Wait, when do we split?
No book.
Wait, when do we split?
You like the base?
When do we split? Can I have your announcement, please? May I have an announcement? Okay, never mind. Okay. This is not a book. When do we split? Tall book. So now, no tall book. Okay. Help!
This is how we go outside without going up.
I like cat and I go meow.
This is outside. Okay, let's go back in the base.
Can't come in.
Too bad.
Oh,
Get out!
No, I do what I want.
I do whatever I want, bro.
why you?
You please
I do what I want. No, give me this shit.
Can you please leave?
Hey, what did I do?
You know what? Tell me stop. Everybody,
Stop.
I think we should move. I'm stuck. Okay, everybody. Everybody, we're moving.
trash.
Come on, everybody. We're moving.
Why are
Family
we
members
moving?
that want to join. Get rid of this
Stuck. I can't. My arm. It gets stuck every
Follow
time.
me. It got that.
That's a sword in the wall. I like knives.
Sembolino, Cocomelo,
Me too. I agree. Did I go too fast? Can everybody see me? I'm over here.
Where are we going?
Going to the baboon hunt. Who's there? It's a dude.
You want it?
I need to stop dying.
Yay!
I need to stop dying.
Bye-bye.
I hate this game.
Bob the Builder. Yes,
I need to try to make it.
Today, we are
Stop.
Meow.
We make a rebel.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Meow. Meow.
Chip and
Stop meowing, you're not.
Am I allowed to swear?
Meow.
You're not a real cat.
Meow.
I go meow.
I said meow. 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 Meow.
I jump. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hard.
Can you help me? Someone is saying get out, dog. Bro. Hush.
You're
gay.
6'7".
No, I got it.
Hey, I'm going to my secret base right now. I never miss even a single bit. I never miss my base. Go.
Get out, because whoever did, it's a public
What's
service.
popping? Brand new whip is popping.
Stop.
You had it.
Chimpanzee.
You're a ball.
Whoever says 6, 7 one more time, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna come to your house and kill you.
You mean 6, 7?
I'm going to kill you.
Well, you can't. You don't know where I am.
Yeah, well, your address is 8798. What the? Did I get it correct?
No. I don't know if I have one.
Okay, sorry to say this, but anyway, whoever says 6, 7 is gay.
But what do you think I bought? 6, 7.
6, 7, 6, 7, 400.
6, 7, bro.
You're gay, you say 6, 7. 6, 7.
I'm fine, bro.
A lot of gay people in this server, I guess.
Wait, what? Who's like 6, 7?
I'm putting where's my mom?
Sexuality, it's nothing that bad.
I like picking up.
No, this isn't
Can't you see I'm spying?
What are you doing up there?
6, 7.
I'd like to go up here too. I want to know what's up.
That'd be bad.
Give me one
6,
chance.
7.
I can be trans. I can be anything.
Strawberry elephant with the mutation. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant. Strawberry elephant.
Bob, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
600.
Yummy.
How about W or L?
Girl, no. No!
Okay.